A blessed morning to all. I'm Rachel T. Rodrigo, one of the proponents of this study, Teacher 3 of Bagong Buhay Elementary School. Along with me are my co-proponents from the same school, Mr. Dominic L. Licayo, Teacher 1, and Mrs. Norlin B. Diloy, Teacher 2. Our research title is Project Spears, Speech and Pronunciation Enhanced Accelerated Reading System, a key in mitigating struggling readers among grade 3 pupils at Bagong Buhay Elementary School. Going forward, let's proceed to the context and rationale of this study. If reading disability are not early addressed, difficulties tend to generalize to other domains, thus jeopardizing future knowledge acquisition, exposing students to consecutive experiences of failure, thereby diminishing their motivation to learn. Conversely, when these difficulties are identified early and are accompanied by a prompt and intensive intervention, the likelihood of reversing trajectory. When pandemic COVID-19 came, which spread rapidly, going to school, teaching and guiding children by the teacher within the classroom is prohibited to help stop the spread of the virus. Also to ensure the good health of learners. Because of this, school closures learners are experiencing what UNICEF terms learning loss. Due to this, there are several third graders who are low in reading fluency and comprehension scores. Finding solutions to this difficulty becomes much more challenging as well to teachers and educators in winning students' attention that seem to be disturbed by the aforementioned situation and with the proliferation of technology. Based on the result of the protest on Phil Erie in the school year 2021-2022, 116 of grade 3 pupils from Bagong Buhay Elementary School belong to the frustration reading level. With this, it is the utmost interest of the researchers to study the pupils' reading learning, to devise means or strategies to improve their reading comprehension. Proposed Innovation, Intervention and Strategy. Local School Board of Silang Municipality has launched the utilization of Project Spears. This focuses on the following stages: syllabic reading approach, language slanted system, multimedia support, accurate progressive evaluation system, and concept-centered technique. Now, we're going to proceed to research questions. This study seeks answers to the following questions. First, what is the level of pupils' reading proficiency skills before the utilizations of the intervention? Second, what is the level of pupils' reading proficiency skills after the utilizations of the intervention? Third, is there a significant difference between the level of pupils' reading proficiency skills before and after the utilization of the intervention? Fourth, based on the findings of the study, what action plan may be proposed? Research methodology. The study employed of quantitative research and one group pretest post-test design to assess the effects of the Project Spears in improving pupils' reading proficiency skills. Participants. The researcher employed a purposive sampling procedure. Researchers selected 116 or 100% of grade 3 pupils who belong to frustration reading level based on Phil Erie pretest result from Bagong Buhay Elementary School in the school year 2021-2022. Discussions of results and reflections. Table 1 shows that before the implementation of Project Spears, all participants belong to frustration. Table 2 indicates that after the implementation of the intervention, majority of the participants improved their reading level. Table 3. T-test shows that there is a significant increase between the pretest and post-test scores of the pupils. Therefore, Project Spears is effective in improving pupils' reading proficiency. In this study, the following conclusions were drawn. Number 1. All pupil respondents belong to frustration reading proficiency skills before the implementations of Project Spears. Number 2. Majority of the target pupils belong to instructional reading proficiency level after the implementations of Project Spears. Number 3. There is a significant difference between the pretest and post-test reading proficiency skills of the pupil respondents. Project Spears is effective in improving pupils' reading proficiency skills. Recommendation. Implement Project Spears in using broader scope. There should be a collaboration with external stakeholders in the utilization of the intervention. The proposed action plan is highly recommended for implementation. Here is the list of our references used in this study. That's all. Thank you and be blessed.